This is an overview of a virtual workshop called Low Barrier Video Strategies for the Online Classroom that I facilitated for Audi International School. Throughout the workshop, I share a variety of video creation strategies while modeling an active online learning environment, and here's how it works. The first part is a 1-hour virtual meeting where participants arrive and are directed to a series of video lessons. All the lecture and lesson content for the workshop is created and assembled ahead of time and put into playlists. This allows everyone to work at their own pace and in their own way. Each playlist ends with an assignment where participants are challenged to create and share a video for their classroom using the featured strategy in a given playlist. During this 1-hour meeting, participants begin working through the self-paced lessons and creating content, and are able to come back to the meeting room anytime to share ideas and ask questions. Once the hour meeting is over, participants continue creating, sharing, and discussing lesson ideas and video content on Twitter, while they begin to use the strategies to enhance their online classrooms. Getting comfortable with rapidly creating video content can help prepare us for the online classrooms of the near future. But don't take my word for it.
In all honesty, I had been struggling with synchronous and asynchronous learning for my second graders. After learning about low barrier video creation strategies, this has become a lot more manageable. I'm loving it, the kids are loving it, the parents are loving it.